Start. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Okay. Did Pravina ji join? No, right? Not yet. Okay.
Anybody doing Rudram chanting during this Kartika Masa? Either as homework or even otherwise also?
I am practicing every day because we don't know the full Rudram, right? But still I am practicing whatever we are.
You can listen to it. Chalakir brothers.
Yeah.
Once-
I regularly listen to them. So
Not like Sunita ji. Maybe 1% I am doing to, trying to do. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also practicing Sunita ji, just in case you are inquisitive.
Hari Om Chandraji.
Hari Om.
you already know, right, Indiaji?
Yeah, I kind of know it almost by heart as well. But I have some mispronunciations because I have not learned from a qualified teacher. So there is a guy, and there is a person here who has been doing it for several years, and he taught us, but not in a systematic way because he himself did not learn it that way. So he taught us how to do it, but that fine-tuning the corrections, where you need to break it, not break it, but even where you need to say g and all those things. So
Because
all those kind of things.
Okay, he didn't learn from any guru, so
No, he did not. Yeah, because of that one, like we are also having that impact of mispronunciation many times. That's where you see the sa becomes sa, and
Telugu people
Sha
like that.
yeah, he did not correct us, so we thought that that is the correct way. So we just continued. I kind of learned it by heart that way only. Now I have to unlearn first and then learn it again. So that's even more double the effort than yours.
That's okay. You should be able to do it. His grace is there. Okay, let's start. So we have to enter into the last Anuvaka, right? The last Anuvaka being
11th.
11. Of course, after that there is Trambakam, and then it continues. That's traditionally it's chanted. It's not part of Rudram, but it's added to Rudram. It's traditionally chanted, right? Of course, that will be there. That Anuvaka, you can call it if you want. But 11th, we have to enter. Before that, let's do a quick revision then. Or I will chant once maybe. Then you can repeat once. I see Shantiji first, then Sunitaji, Ashish, Indivar, and Pravinaji. Is that what you see? The order? Okay. Okay, Shantiji first. You remember who is before you. Then Sunitaji, Ashish, Indivar, Pravinaji. द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहित येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममते
या ते रुद्र शिवा.
Shantiji, repeat the same thing.
Oh, repeat this. Sorry. Drape andhasaspate daridrannilalohita esham purushanam esham pashunam mabhirma romo esham kinchana mamat.
याते रुद्र शिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाः बेशजी शिवा रुद्रस्य बेशजीतया नो मृड जीवसे
याते रुद्र शिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाः बेशजी शिवा रुद्रस्य बेशजीतया नो मृड जीवसे
इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे मतिम् यथा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम्
इमागं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नश्चमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम्
मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृदि क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चञ्चयोश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ
Murudano rudro tano mayaskrudikshayadviraय namasa vidhemate yacham chayoscha manurayaje pita tadasya matava rudra pranitau.
मानो महान्तमुत मानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत मान उक्षितम् मानो वदीः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः
मानो महान्तमुत मानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत मान उक्षितं मानो वधीः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः.
Krishna ji, continue. मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानो रुद्रभामितो वदीर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते
मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानो रुद्र भामितो वद्धीरः हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते.
वीर again वीरान् मानो रुद्रभामितो वदीर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते
वीरान् मानो रुद्रभामितो वद्धीर्हविष्मन्तो
तो नमसा विधेमते
हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमसे.
शांति जी आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यदा च न शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः
आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यता च न शर्म यच्च द्विबर्हाः द्विबर्हाः
तु हि श्रुतं गर्तसदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्तुमुग्रं मृडाजरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः
स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्नुमुग्रं मृडाजरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः
परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विणक्तु परित्वेषस्य धुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्तिरामगवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमीढ्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडय Ashish, you are on mute.
Unmute.
परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणक्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः
अवस्थिरामघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमीढ्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडय
अवस्थिरामघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तोकाय मृडय
मीढुष्ठमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधं निधाय कृत्य कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागै
मीढुष्टमसि पतमसि वो नः सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधं निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि
your sa shiva should be sha. Okay. Vikirida vilohita namaste astu bhagavah yaste sahasragum heta yonyamasmanniva pantutah.
विकिरिद विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमन्मस्मन्
Do it again.
हे
Yaste
यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयो
yaste sahasragum heta yonyamasmanniva pantutah.
यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः
Sahasra.
हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः
सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीना मुखाकृधि
सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहु वोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधि
Viran Mano Rudrabhamito, that you just practice once, Krishna. That, and yeah, most of it came well. All of it came well. So let's enter into the last Anuvaka, 11th Anuvaka. Okay, I will. You know the meaning, right? Of all whole of 10, we did that, completed, I think, right? Sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam. Sunita ji, do it. Sahasrani sahasrasho
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो सहस्राणि सहस्रशो
ye rudra
ये रुद्रा
adhibhumyam.
अधिभूम्याम्
Sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम्
Teshagum sahasrayojane vadanvani tanmasi. I'll split. Teshagum
तेषागुम्
sahasrayojane sahasrayojane vadanvani
सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि
tanmasi.
तन्मसि
Teshagum sahasrayojane vadanvani tanmasi.
तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्र अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि
Krishnan chant.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम्
Ye Rudra, just extend that a bit because Rudra.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि. I'll split. Continue, Krishnan. अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे अस्मिन्
महत्यर्णवे
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे.
Ma has
Ma Swarita. Asmin mahत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे.
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे
भवा अधि.
भवा अधि
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि.
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि
Again, do it again.
अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि
Hindi word do it.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम्.
Can you raise your voice a bit, little bit?
Okay.
I don't know if it is too difficult. Try.
Okay, yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महच्चर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवाधि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महच्चर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवाधि
Bhava adhi, adhi, dhi is Mahaprana and Swarita. So more emphasis. Okay. Shantiji, do it once.
Asmin mahat
Sahasrani from there.
Sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam adhibhumyam. I'll start.
Continue.
Sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam teshagam sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi asmin mahat yarnaventa rikshe bhava adhi
Asmin mahatyarnaventarikshe bhava adhi.
Asmin mahat, ha goes down, right?
Yeah.
Asmin mahatyarnaventarikshe bhava adhi. Asmin mahatyarnaventarikshe bhava adhi.
Adhi. Pravinaji.
Sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam teshagum
Teshagum. Only gum has Swarita. Tesha, no Swarita. No.
Okay.
Swara.
Okay. Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi asmin mahatyarnave entarikshe bhava adhi sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam teshagam sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi asmin mahatyarnave entarikshe bhava adhi
Bhava adhi.
bhava adhi bhava adhi.
Ashish, continue.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे एन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे एन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः. Sunita ji, continue. नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचरा अधः क्षमाचराः. Like that, okay. नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा
शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः
शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः. Somewhere God.
क्षमाचराः
क्षमाचराः क्षमाचराः.
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः. नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा
दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः
दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः
नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः.
Actually, these four mantras are considered as one set up to upashritaha, right? From Sahasrani. Usually four mantras.
From Sahasrani to
up to
Upashritaha.
Divagum, Rudra, Upashritaha are considered one set of mantras. Even though they are separate, so mantras 4 are one set. And then usually when chanting, you can do as it is. But then when prayers or when doing maybe Homa also, they add this Teshagum Sahasrayojane Vadanvani Tanmasi. That line is added to each of the mantras. Like Sahasrani Sahasrashoje Rudra Adhibhumyaam Teshagum Sahasrayojane Vadanvani Tanmasi Asmin Mahatyarnaventarikshe Bhavadhi Teshagum Sahasrayojane Vadanvani Tanmasi. That for each of that they will add that. Up to 9th mantra. They keep on adding that because Teshagum Sahas, because all these arrows, your bows, Sahasra Yojana means, Sahasra means 1,000. Figuratively, they're saying 1,000 Yojana. Yojana means 8 miles, right? Thousands of miles. Keep it away, these bows. Vadhan Dhanvani Avatanmasi, and keep it thousands of miles away. How? Avatanmasi. Avatanmasi means untied. The bow should be untied from the string. So we are praying. So keep it, figuratively away means anywhere. It could be here also. It could be, but keep it far means let them not come to this bow string. It be unstringed also. So because each of the mantra is as such is incomplete, right? So we add that to each mantra again. Asmin Mahatyarnave Antarikshe Bhavadi is incomplete. So we add, so keep that bow away from us, untied, many, many miles away, thousands of miles away, like that.
Particularly in Rudra Homam, I have seen that doing.
Homam they do. In prayer also we can do if you want. But chanting one sees it. So yeah, Rudra Homam, yes, they do that. Right.
That line also, Teshagum, is repeated again, Chandraji?
Is repeated only in the end again.
Oh.
In the actual text. But when doing prayer or Homam, they keep repeating this line for each mantra. It is again comes where ya etavantasya bhuyagum sascha rudravitastire teshagum sahasrayojane vadanvani tanmasi. There it ends.
Yeah.
After that, another set comes. Namo Rudrebhyo, the different kind of a prayer again. So at the ending. Okay. So Teshagum Sahasrani Sahasrashaha Ye Rudra Adi Bhumya, on this Bhumyam, on this earth. Different types of Rudras, Devatas are mentioned. They are available everywhere. All the laws of universe. Anything is a Rudra Devata. Right? So thousands, Sahasrani Sahasrashaha. Thousands of forms in thousands. All these Rudra Devatas in different, as Adhidevatas, as presiding deities of different laws of the universe. They are there. Asmin, in this Mahatyarnave. Arnava means ocean. Ocean, figuratively, it can be ocean means earth. It is on earth. Arnava. So it could be earth also. So Asmin, in this Mahati, great Mahatyarnave, Antarikshe, in the intermediate space above, Bhava, Adhi. So in all these places you are there. And then so keep those bows of those Rudras, of those Devatas away from us. Thousands of miles away.
What is Arnave?
Arnava means ocean. So they are there in ocean. Ocean means here figuratively we can take earth also. So on the earth they are there, these Rudras, Rudra Devatas. So we're talking about various forms of Rudras, right? Antarikshe, Arnavaha, Antarikshaha, right? Intermediate space. Like that. And then Nilagriva, of course, blue-necked, Shitikanta, white-necked, Sharva, Shiva. Adaha Kshamachara, below also, under the earth, Adaha Kshamachara, below the earth in different forms of Rudras, Rudra Devatas.
That Adhi is what in the first line?
Adhi means presiding.
Okay.
Teshagum Sahasrayojane Vadanvani Tanmasi. Adhibhumya, on this earth. Adhibhumya, on this earth, you are there, presiding. Okay. Then Sharva Adaha Kshamachara, you are presiding like in the form of Agni underneath the earth. Different types of Devatas. Nilagriva, Shitikanta, as blue-necked as white-necked, blue-necked in maybe in the night time, white-necked in the daytime, maybe. Divagam Rudra Upashritaha. Divagam, even in the heavens, you are there, Upashritaha, as the presiding deities of different laws, like Indra Devata, Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, right?
What does Sharva means?
Another name for Shiva, right? Sharvaha means here different types of Rudras. Even though we have seen earlier also Sharva. Sharva means a destroyer also actually. But here Sharvaha, Rudras, different Rudras we are talking about, right? Here Sahasrani Sahasrasha, in thousands of forms. So Sharvaha in different types of Rudras in different forms. On the earth, the oceans, upper space, intermediate space, in the heavens. Okay. Do from the beginning once, Ashish. Sahasrani Sahasrasha.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाश्चितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमच.
After Sharva Adaha, totally you have to say
Adaha,
that Visarga, because there is a Ksha after that, right? Sharva Adaha Kshamaacharaha.
Sharva adhah kshamaacharaha. Keep going.
Keep going.
Okay. Neelagriva-shitikantha divagam rudra.
Divagam Rudra Upashritaha.
Neelagriva-shitikantha divagam rudra upashritaha. Ye vriksheshu saspinjara neel.
That we didn't do, right? That we did that? No.
We didn't do.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on for that.
Sorry.
Do once again. So that up to
From Sahasran.
Upashritaha.
Okay. Sahasrani sahasrasho ye rudra adhibhumyam teshagam sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगं रुद्रा Upashritaha.
Again say that.
Upashritaha. Neelagriva-shitikantha divagam rudra upashritaha.
Pravinaji, do once from the beginning.
Sahasrani सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं
only gum sarita. Tesha no swara, right?
Sorry, correct. तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाश्चितिकण्ठा नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा आशर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि.
You are still doing that tesha, something, some swara you are keeping in tesha.
Consider.
Just try to correct that. Okay, continue.
तेषागं
Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi.
तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवे एन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा आशर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः.
That whenever there is a aha, the visarga after the dirgham, extend that. Kshamaacharaha upashritaha. Okay, extend.
Okay.
Taha. Earlier also we did, right?
Okay. Upashritaha.
Do you have Pravinaji in your book Anudatta for Griva, Neela Griva, Shiti? You don't have that one.
No.
And your book also it is not there, right? Okay.
No. Did I
no,
do Anudatta on Griva?
Yeah, you just have to slightly flatten that in stuff, taking
Okay.
it little bit further.
Okay. Neelagriva.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Neelagriva Siti Kanta, Neelagriva Siti Kanta, Neelagriva. You don't have to bring it down there.
Okay.
Yeah, only C you bring it down. Neelagrivashi. Neelagrivashi. Grivashi. One line, right? One straight line.
Correct. Neelagrivashi. Okay.
Then T comes down, right?
He comes down. Okay.
Ashanti do it.
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा आशर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः
Want to do it again?
सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा आशर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठादिवगं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः.
So adaha means down, adhi means different. Adhi is the presiding deity. Adaha down, adaha kshamaachara. Okay, the presiding deity. ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः. Individual. ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः. ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः. ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः.
ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकासः कपर्दिनः. ये भूतानामधिपतयो
ये भूतानामधिपतयो ये भूतानामधिपतयो
विशिकासः कपर्दिनः.
विशिखासः कपर्दिनः. विशिखासः कपर्दिनः.
ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकासः कपर्दिनः.
ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः. ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः.
Vishikasah, that jihva mulya should come out. Okay. Ye vriksheshu saspinjara nilagriva vilohitaah. Ye bhutanamadhipatayo vishikasah kapardinah.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः. ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः. ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः. ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः.
Actually, the next mantra also is part of one set again. Just like you've seen 1 to 4 is one set. The next mantra also from 5, 6, 7, one set. They usually take it as one set and then they repeat that. The same thing. Right? Teshagum sahasra yojane vadanvani tanmasi for these also. Okay. So let's do the next one also. Ye अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्. Like that it comes. Okay. ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति.
ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति. ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति.
I think your internet it went fast. ये after a little pause. Okay. ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति.
ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति. ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति.
पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्.
पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्. पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान
ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्
ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान
Instead of janana, look at janana. Okay, that's fine. That's good.
जनान
Sunita ji, do this. Ye vriksheshu.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्
Krishnan, do this.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्
Pravina ji, do once.
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा
ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये
Continue.
ये अन्नेषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान्.
Yeah. Anneshu vividhyanti janan, and then patreshu pibatah janan vividhyanti. You can take both. Anneshu, because there are some devatas, you can say, even in the food, that are trying to hurt, right? Food allergies, food allergy. Anneshu, in the food, right? In the food, there are many different food poisoning, we say, right? So those devatas, whoever it is, keep them away, thousands of miles away. Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi, with both bows untied, the string untied bows. Avatanmasi. So
Are they
Anneshu,
devatas?
they,
They
Adideva,
should be demons.
yeah. I mean, see, anybody can be Adideva, the presiding deity. So, because devatas can chastise us and also devatas can bless us. So, right, that's why we're praying. As our namaskara should neutralize our, because our own papa karma could be there.
Okay. Food poisoning, I thought that like usually demons would do that, not devata.
So that food poisoning means, see, anything, annadosham could be there anywhere, right? Any in the way you cook and from whom you take also, it depends. Because, but then it's all Ishvara, Brahmarpanam, we say, right? And then we take it. Of course, we can't, if you keep on thinking, we'll not eat. Who made it, how they made it, right? Annadosha can be there anytime. So,
All the
aham
hotels
Vaishvanaro
will go out
bhutva.
of business.
Ah,
All the hotels will go out of business in
Out?
case you strictly follow that.
in the hotel, hotels
And
also, yeah, we don't
moms
know.
also, sometimes if their mind is somewhere else, angry with somebody, then also same story. Or mom, not mom, anybody who is cooking.
Yeah, that's why take the name of the Lord, Narayana, Krishna, Shiva, anything. While cooking also, so that will be Amritam. Oh, in the hotels we go and we don't know how they make it. How, right? That's why but then we do Brahmarpanam. Otherwise, you can't eat anything. And even if there is Aghamarshana Sukta, you know, right? Aghamarshana Sukta. Every day you're supposed to chant in taking bath. So if you have overeaten, let's say Atyashanadati Panadyacha Ugrat Pratigrahat. You know, Tanno Varuno Raja Padina Hyavamarshatu. Every day you're supposed to chant while taking bath. So that
Yeah,
please
let's include it in the syllabus. Let us include it in the syllabus after this one. This is very important for me.
Oh no, okay, we'll see. But this doesn't have that. So you say, so if you have overeaten ati ashana in the hotel, we go to buffets and working lunch is in the offices, we buffet, we eat. Ati ashana, ati panat, over drinking. Atyashanadati panadyacha ugrat. Ugrat pratik, you have taken gifts from somebody who does not deserve, somebody who you're not supposed to take from. Ugrat pratigrahat. So for that, every morning while taking bath, Agamarshanam, the papam, agam means papam. Papam removing sukta. So, oh Varuna, Tanno Varuno Raja, Panina Hyavamarshatu, clean everything. All that I have taken, eaten, overdrunk, taken gifts from somebody, right, whom I should not take. There is Agamarshana. So like that, we can't keep on thinking what is there in the food, right? So just pray to the Lord, offer it to him, eat it. That's it. Okay. Then Patreshu Pibato Janana. Patreshu also. Patra means it can be vessel. Some take it as a vessel. In vessels also some virus or germs could be there. But here Patra means, Pibato means drinks. It could be milk or water. waterborne diseases, right? Patra means you drinking. Pibato janan. So keep them away from us. Sahasra yojane vadanmani tanmasu. Okay. Anneshu vividhyanti means affecting us in different ways. Ye bhuta namadipatayo vishikasa kapardina. Vishikasa, one without hair, without shika. Vishika. Kapardina with kapardi. They are all in different ways, different forms. Rudras are there in the earth, anywhere, in the antariksha, in heavens. So all trying to maybe bless us or maybe trying to hurt us, but let them not hurt us. Keep their bows away from us, thousands of miles away. Okay. Vruksheshu saspinjara. In vrikshas also they are there. Okay. Saspinjara in tender grass. In the grass also they are there. Nilagriva vilohita. Oh, blue-necked one. Vilohita. Lohita means red. Vilohita means not red. So somebody who has become Vilohita, not Rajasic, maybe Sattvic. Okay, you can take that. Vilohita. Ye Bhutana Adipati. Ye Bhutana Adipati. Presiding deities of different ganas, Bhuta ganas. Bhutanam Adipatayo Vishikasah Kapardinaha. Okay. Ye patam pati rakshaya aila bhridaya vyudaha. Ashish. Ye patam pati rakshaya.
Ye patham pathirakshaya.
Ye
Krishnan, you are not on mute.
Oh, sorry.
Ye patham pati rakshaya.
ye patham pathirakshaya.
Ye patam pati rakshaya aila bhridaya vyudaha. Ye patam pati rakshaya. Rakshaya.
Ye patham pathirakshaya aila
Aila bridha. Rakshaya aila bridha.
Rakshaya aila
Pathi rakshaya aila bridha.
Pathirakshaya ailabrida.
Aila bridha. Aila bridha. That ba is only just first ba, not Mahaprana, right? Okay. Aila bridha. Okay.
Ye patham pathirakshaya ailabridaya vyudhaha.
In one more thing, you don't have to do Aila bridha. No, because that ba is a r, right? It is a r. That for that ba, it is only a vowel. It is not a samyukta vyanjanam, right? So you don't have to do the holding that. I think you are doing that. Aila bridha you're doing. Don't do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Here you don't have to do that. If it were to be a ra, then you can do it. It is a r here. It's a vowel.
Okay.
Shekhar, is it is it not Ailabruda? I everywhere I heard it as Ailabruda. You also said the same, but in the print, don't you all seeing Ailabruda? Right?
Telugu we have I.
No, I see AI.
In Telugu like
Yeah,
I.
Vijnanam said I. Like Airavatam I. That.
Oh, is it?
I only in the word.
Yeah, I mean, I remember that it is, but somehow in this book, this is the first time that I'm seeing print mistake. Maybe it's saying A.
There is
there, right?
A and then I. So I would be A and then
I.
that.
Yeah,
Only
but
one.
instead of that I, they are putting A labra.
Oh, is it? There in Mantra
Yes,
Pushpa?
so no other text has got that one, then something not correct in this one. This is the first letter correction that I'm seeing maybe.
In Devanagari also we have A only, Chandraji, right? A. So A is there and then A. So A is there.
right?
Even in
Yeah.
Devanagari, I have A.
No, there are only two. Okay, maybe this is where the confusion is. There in other languages you have A, and I.
In
Ah.
Telugu we have AI.
Oh,
Right, but
We
in,
have
in
I.
Devanagari, in Sanskritam, it is A. The first two, A and A, are only one.
Correct.
okay.
Correct.
Doesn't
Okay.
have a line on the top. You know,
Got
I
it.
with A there will be one line. If it is with Pa or Ka, then it will be two lines. That's how Kai will be.
Oh,
But if
okay.
you put
Okay.
one line above A, then it is actually I.
Correct.
Mm.
Okay, so for Yao, it will be two.
Yeah. For
Whereas
pi,
for
pi, it will be two. But with the letter A, if you put only one, then you
still
read
it's
it
I.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, good to know. Okay.
That's the difference between other, South Indian languages. You have A, and I.
Correct.
Right.
But here it's only A and I.
Right. But
That's
for
what-
other words like pi, y, and all, right? It's all two. So
Two,
I was
yeah,
thinking
yeah.
even for A, it should be two.
Two lines. Yeah. For A, there will be only one.
There's
line.
no word with A with twos.
Correct. There isn't one.
Okay. Okay.
So you got that Indivar? That is I only. If you are using as A, yeah, they're called Kantathalus. AI. That's it. Ye, where are we? Who was chanting?
Ashish was doing.
Ashish, continue. Do it from do it. Where were you?
Ye patam.
Okay, do that.
Ye patham pathirakshaya ailabhrida yavyudhaha.
Ailabhrida yavyudaha.
Okay. Ailabhrida yavyudhaha. Ailabhrida yavyudhaha. Ye patham pathirakshaya ailabhrida yavyudhaha.
So the br has anudata, right?
Right. Bru as another. Ailabhrida. Yeah.
Aila brida. The br has to go down. Right?
Ailabhrida. Yes. Brida. Okay.
Aila brida.
Brida.
Aila brida.
Ailabhrida yavyudhaha.
Do it once more.
Okay. Ye patham pathirakshaya ailabhrida yavyudhaha. Ye patham pathirakshaya ailabhrida yavyudhaha.
Ye tirtani pracharanti srikavanto nishanginaha. I'll split. Ye tirtani. Ye tirtani. Ye tirtani. Continue. Ashish.
Swaitajan.
Ye tirthani. Ni.
Ye
tirthani.
tirthani.
Yeah. The T also is anudata and ni is swarita.
He is another. Ye tirthani pracharanti.
Ye tirthani pracharanti. Ye tirthani pracharanti.
Srikavanto nishanginaha.
Srikavanto nishangina. सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
ये पथां पतिरक्षय ऐलवृदायव्युदः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
ये पथां पथिरक्षय ऐलवृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः ये पथां पथिरक्षय ऐलवृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
This is one considered as one mantra. Okay. Shanti, you do it once.
Ye patam from there.
Do it, yeah.
Ye patam patirakshaya ailabhrudaya yavyudaha ye tirtani pracharanti srikavanto nishanginaha ye patam patirakshaya ailabhrudaya yavyudaha ye tirtani pracharanti srikavanto nishanginaha.
Ye tirthani pracharanti. Those devatas, those rudras, tirthani, you know, right? What is tirthani?
Could be holy
Pilgrim.
place or Tirtham is Tirtham. Prasadam Tirtham.
No, that is gone. The food is gone. Oh, food is over. Food and drinks. That
Okay.
tirtham is drink. So
Yeah.
that tirtham also, when the pujari gives, many people doubt, should we take it or no? Take it. Just pray. But here tirthani is pilgrimages. There also some rudras are there.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Pujari giving, you're supposed to take or not supposed to?
No, take it. I'm saying, don't doubt. Just pray
Yeah,
to the Lord and take
you
it.
have to take it. Some people apply it as hair oil, right? So that's what he's saying.
No, don't put it on the head. Never
Well,
put it on
just
the head.
apply it on the head.
It's not good. Don't put it on the head. Why should you touch the head with the water?
Yeah, I mean, you are supposed to drop it back. It seems actually it is not. Put it here. Drop it back.
Ah.
Any leftover.
Pilgrimage centers, they are there to help us in a way, right? How they have srikavantaha nishanginaha. Nishanginaha means having swords, and srika means some sharp weapon, dagger-like thing, daggers. So in pilgrimage centers also, they are there to hurt or to help. But here one, I told you, Vishnu Suri, he says that knife is taken as the samsara, to cut the tree of samsara, he says. That vairagyam, he takes as vairagyam. And right? So these pilgrimage centers, they are there, Kashi and Prayaga. They are the Srukas, daggers. So these Rudras are there to help, to give us Gnanam, Vairagyam. Okay, because that's why we want to go to pilgrimage centers, right? Okay, then of course you add that Sahasra Yojane Vadanvani Tanmasi. Ye Tirthani. Ye Patham Patirakshaya. In Patirakshaya, the Ailabruda Yavyudaha. Patham. They are there in the different paths. Patham means path. It could be Shreyas, Preyas, Shreyo Marga, Preyo Marga, we say, right? So even the materialistic path, even the spiritual path, we want something, we also want material things. So let them be there to help us with bows kept away, thousands of miles away. Shreyas and Priyo Margas, you can say, take that. Patham, Patirakshaya, to protect us on the path. Patirakshaya. Aila Bruda. Aira means food. Those who give us food, those who feed us, those who protect us by feeding. Aila means food. Bruda, one who feeds us. Yavyudaha, those who punish the sin. Yudaha, Yavyudaha. You means the sin. Yudaha, those who punish the sinners. Okay. Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitasthire. Pravinaji. Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitasthire. Hold on. Ya etavantascha.
Ya etavantascha. Ya etavantascha.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha. Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho. Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho.
Rudravitasthire.
Rudravitastire. Rudravitastire.
Disho rudravitasthire.
Disho rudravitastire. Disho rudravitastire.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitasthire.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitastire. Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitastire.
Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi.
Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi. Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitasthire. Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi.
Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitastare
Vitasthire.
vitastire. Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi. Ya etavantascha bhuyagumsascha disho rudravitastire. Teshagum sahasrayojane vadhanvani tanmasi.
So these Rudras are there in all directions. here etavantascha bhuyagamsascha vitas disho rudra vitastire. Dishaha in all directions, spread all over. Vitastire. So keep their bows away from us. Teshagum sahasrayojane again is repeated here in the last, the 9th one, right? And then comes the last one. Shanti, do just this one. Ya etavantascha.
य एतावन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्तिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि य एतावन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्तिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि तन्मसि
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान्येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्ते भ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्ते भ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं धिष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं भोजम्भे ददामि. That is one taken as one mantra. Yes, that is the, of course we'll, shall we finish that? Take 10 more minutes.
I'm sorry, I need to drop off, Chandrasekhar.
Okay. Hari Om. I think we can end it here then. Okay, you can drop.
If you like, I can watch the video later.
Or we can do it next week. That's fine. Saturday.
So we do not have the interrupter today, is it? Okay, so that's why I was not one. I was thinking.
Only that is only for Gita is only on Saturdays.
Oh, is that so? Okay, okay.
No,
I did not know
not
the
on
change in the
Thursdays.
schedule. Oh,
Because
okay.
we finished the portion, actual portion, so we'll
Okay.
continue it. Right? So, okay, we can do it on Saturday then. Okay. Then we'll finish the Trambakam also on Saturday and this.
Oh.
Ayo. Does anybody wants to do Etavantascha?
Yeah, I have not done that. Can I try once?
Try.
In fact, I have to do even the one before also. E patham.
Okay.
E patham pathirakshaya aila brudaya vyudaha. E tirthani pracharanti hrukavanto nishanginaha.
It is Tirtha. Tirtha. Not Tirtham in Telugu. They say, right? Not Tirtha. Tha. 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 E Tirthani.
ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति शुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्तिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि.
Continue. How you, the last one also?
The Rudrobhyo. नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश
Varasha. That Ra has to come separately.
Okay. वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर दश दक्षिण.
It is Dasha. Direction. Dasha, right? Dasha. Because in each direction we are praying with all 10 fingers. I mean, Dasha means actually 10. Yeah. Because we're combining the fingers. 10. Yeah.
Okay. वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणा दश प्रतीचीर्दशो दशोदीचीर्दशो वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यम् विष्णो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं भोजं भेददा. I probably have to repeat it. I messed up.
Dvishmo. Dvishmo.
Yeah, it has to go in the flow. If I start
Ah,
between, like Shankar Dada had start from the beginning. Namo Rudrebhyo ye prithivyan ye antarikshe ye divye shamannam vato varshamishavastebhyo dasha prachir dasha dakshina dasha pradicir dashodicir dashodvastebhyo namaste no mrudayantu te yam vishmo yascha no dveshtitam bhojam bhedadami.
And dasa, you will get, sometimes I'm meaning dasa, dasha, okay?
Yeah. I have consciously put dasha.
That we will, all of us can learn next week.
Okay.
Anybody
I'll
wants to
try
chat?
my level best to attend Saturday class. Again, one of my friends' house, there is a Ekadas Rudram.
Oh,
She's asking me to participate, but I want to attend the class at least.
study group.
Because study group at least, that's very important thing. So
Chidrupanandaji will be there in the study.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I told him that I would attend the class, but he's asking me I can join back. So I have to make some adjustments there.
Okay. Anybody wants to chant? Before that, the one before, not.
Ye Patham.
Ye Patham, right? Who didn't chant? Sunita, you chanted?
No, Chandra.
Ye Patham, you can chant.
ये पथां पथिरक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युदः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः
Srikavanto nishanginah.
ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो
Not shru, srika, sr.
ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्तिरे वितस्तिरे य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्तिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने भदन्वानि तन्मसि.
Yeah. Jambhe dadami. Nice. We'll see the meaning next week. Okay.
Chandraji, after this 12th Anuvaka, we need to know more about this Rudram, when to chant, how to chant, and I heard that there are so many types of chanting, something like that. I heard Maharudra, something. I don't know what are those.
Yeah, that I think in the first class we did little bit of introduction, I think.
We did that. I forgot, Chandraji.
Yeah, first class we did. And anytime on Monday, if you want, anytime you can chant. If anybody is chanting the temple, you join.
There is no timings like after this time or something. We can't chant or something like that. Someone I heard like after after 6 or 7 you should not chant.
Usually there's a night time. you can sometimes when you start in the Pradosham time, right, it will go in the late in the night. Particularly in US, winter is at 5:30, but Pradosham starts at 6 o'clock. So what can you do? So you will start that one, but it will go there. But typically they say after dinner time, do not chant that one. I mean, it could be because it generates that high energy thing, right? And you can't probably sleep peacefully. Maybe that's why they say that one. But I don't really. I've not seen many people after dinner chanting this one. But 6 o'clock certainly is not the time, because I know Pradosham usually starts at 6 o'clock. Even 6:30 also. In summertime, Pradosham starts at 6:30.
So, I mean, if we want to chant, means we need to start around before 5 or 4:34.
I would say don't look at the watch. As long as you are taken bath and you feel you are fresh, just go ahead.
So
Before dinner.
Pradosham time, you said no or yes?
Yes, Pradosham is good. Pradosham is actually
it's good, right?
Yeah, it is actually good. In fact, that is considered as auspicious as well for doing this kind of chanting. Just like Sandhya Vandanam, you can even chant along with that one also. But when you start, sometimes because of a few other things that you are doing, it can even go late in the evening, right? So you can go till your dinner time. But preferably after dinner, please do not try to do that.
Because if it is heavy also, you can't chant properly.
You can't chant also.
And it is better if you keep it light. Because that's where your swaras come out well, and you can chant most with the breath control we have. Because the breath also will come from the stomach part also a bit, not only from the lungs, of course, it will come. Right?
And they say night time is Rakshasa time. So
yeah, I mean,
early morning is Devata time.
Yeah.
They put those conditions mainly because of other reasons, I believe. Those superstitious things like Rakshasas will come and take your phala in the night. I mean, I think those are all because of putting some conditions in the thing. But I have seen one of the temples where they were doing Mahalingarshana type of thing. They did even Mahanyasam in the previous evening, and then did Ekadas Rudrama the next day. So even they did that, but they did it before dinner itself. So even such kind of a thing also. So it is not about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, but it is all about before dinner, preferably, because after dinner it becomes difficult for you. Similarly, after lunch also, you cannot immediately do that. You need to have at least 2 hours of break so that you'll be able to uninterruptedly do it. You need to have empty space in your stomach. So that
ideally do it in the morning before your work. If at all you have time.
Yeah.
At least on Mondays you can do once. Monday is good.
All conference calls you can do that. You can do that in parallel to your conference calls if you are on mute.
I have to go. I have a lot of empty space in my stomach right now. So
okay, we'll end it. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet, Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Tat Sat. Indivar, just stay back for a few minutes. Indivar.
Sure, yeah. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
One quick question, Indivarji.